Why are cell membranes integral to the existence of life? Well, the cell membrane, or the plasma membrane as it's often called, is a vital component of all living cells. It forms the boundary between the cell's interior and its external environment, and is a key player in a variety of cellular functions. The cell membrane structure is quite fascinating. It's made up of a phospholipid bilayer, which is the basic structural unit. Each phospholipid molecule has a hydrophilic or water-attracting head and two hydrophobic or water-repelling tails. These phospholipids arrange themselves in a double layer, with the hydrophilic heads facing outwards towards the watery environments and the hydrophobic tails oriented inwards. But that's not all. Proteins are also an integral part of the cell membrane. They are either embedded in or attached to the phospholipid bilayer. Some of these proteins span the entirety of the membrane. These are known as integral proteins. Others, called peripheral proteins, simply attach to the surface. The roles of these proteins are diverse, ranging from the transport of molecules to cell signaling and structural support. Carbohydrates, too, are found on the cell membrane, specifically on the extracellular surface. They're attached to either proteins, forming glycoproteins, or lipids, forming glycolipids. Carbohydrates are important for cell recognition, adhesion, and communication. Now, what about the functions of the cell membrane? First and foremost, the cell membrane displays selective permeability. This means it allows certain substances to pass through while restricting others, a crucial property for maintaining internal homeostasis. The cell membrane also facilitates transport. It enables the movement of ions, molecules, and nutrients into and out of the cell via various mechanisms, such as diffusion, osmosis, facilitated diffusion, and active transport. Cell signaling is another key function of the cell membrane. Proteins in the membrane are involved in transmitting signals from the outside environment to the interior of the cell. This includes receiving chemical signals and transmitting signals to initiate cellular responses. Proteins on the cell membrane also play a crucial role in cell adhesion. This allows cells to stick together and form tissues, and facilitates interactions between cells and their environment. Moreover, the cell membrane provides protection and support to the cell. It helps maintain cell shape and integrity. The cell membrane also plays a role in endocytosis and exocytosis, processes that involve the cellular ingestion and expulsion of substances, respectively. In short, understanding the structure and functions of the cell membrane is key to comprehending basic cell biology and the regulation of cellular processes. It's a complex yet fascinating structure that plays a vital role in the life of a cell.